Hey, what's up everybody? It's Meredith with Svelte Training, and I'm super excited because we have a summer spritzer today. We've got all kinds of great ingredients, super simple, really easy and delicious. So let's get into all these things and make it together. All right, so this is a very uncomplicated recipe. We've got grapefruit, we've got honey, we've got thyme, we've got a special umbrella I'll put in my ear. So now I'm summery and festive, and all we need to do right now is squeeze half of a grapefruit into some club soda. This is a raspberry flavored club soda. You can get just plain club soda or sparkling water, really whatever you like. There's also regular grapefruit club soda, but the addition of the actual fresh grapefruit gives a little bit of tartness, sweetness, high in vitamin C, high in antioxidants. At the same time, we're gonna be adding a tablespoon of honey that also has a lot of antioxidant effects. Plus, it's going to help detoxify the body. So we're not only gonna get a delicious drink, we're also gonna help our bodies detoxify, especially for summer as we come up. We wanna hydrate when it gets super hot. So here we go. Here's your grapefruit. This is like a ruby red grapefruit. It's so pretty. It's very juicy, so just don't make a huge mess. But I was talking about this the other day with somebody, is that it's not gonna be a recipe, not gonna be a workout for us unless something goes wrong and it's super messy and just gets all over the place and I make a mess, and Grace can make all the complicated recipes because apparently, as a mom of two, I'm not that good at it. So got that tablespoon of honey. This is a lot of honey for a smaller glass. However, I really like the taste of honey, so it will help not only make it a little bit sweeter because that grapefruit is pretty bitter, but it will also give a little bit more viscous nature to the actual drink. So make it a little bit thicker because of that honey needs a little bit more time to disintegrate inside of this sparkling water. So if you don't use all of it, not a big deal. What we're gonna do is add this into a glass of water, pouring that in. You can see the honey kind of sits at the bottom. Totally fine, because as you're mixing that in, it's gonna be good to go. Oh, there we go. So when you do this, you can use that same spoon, you can mix it in. And especially during the summer, I like to use a little bit of thyme just to give it a little bit of freshness of herbs. Pop that in, and it looks like I'm in Hawaii drinking a Mai Tai, but I'm not. So cheers, everybody. It's amazing, and this is a great way to have a drink and it not look like you're not drinking at a party or at a gathering and everyone's gonna give you pressure. You can have this amazing grapefruit spritzer and at the same time do your body very good. So for more awesome recipes just like this that are super easy, super fast, and delicious, go ahead, check out all of our videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.